Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mercedes A-Class battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm and 13mm socket wrench, along with a battery terminal cleaner. Safety is paramount, so always wear gloves and eye protection to protect yourself. Before you begin any work, make sure your car's ignition is completely off. This ensures no power is flowing, preventing accidental shocks or damage during the process. Next, locate your car's battery, which is usually found either under the hood or in the trunk, depending on your specific A-Class model. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal first. This is a crucial safety step. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. After that, remove any battery hold-down clamps or brackets, which often require a 13mm socket and an extension to access and loosen. Now prepare for the new battery. Clean the battery tray and the terminal connections thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into its secure position, making sure it fits snugly and won't shift during driving. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Double-check that both connections are tight and secure, preventing any loose contacts that could cause issues later on. With the new battery installed, double-check that all connections are tight and secure. Give the terminals a gentle tug to confirm they won't loosen. Now, start your car and ensure everything is functioning correctly. Sometimes, you might need to reinitialize certain electronic systems, like your radio or windows, following your car's manual. And hey, while you're working hard, remember to stay refreshed. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.